This is going to be a video tutorial to get you started using your MSAFE lock. To open this using the default access code, press on to wake up the circuitry, then press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and enter. Inside this door is an electronic lock that will remain open for 6 seconds. During that time you can draw back the bolts. Once the electronic lock relocks itself, then the bolts in the door will be locked in place when you turn the ring back. I recommend that when you're learning how to use this lock, that you do so with the door open. Now this safe will accept a master code, or pin 1, and a user code, or pin 2. The access code that I just used is the default master code. Currently, a user code has not been set. And one of the most important functions I want to show you before I show you anything else is how to turn off that annoying beeping noise. To do that, press on, then enter. That's how you put this thing in programming mode. Then press 5 and enter. Then use the master code. In this case, again, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And press enter. And that's it. No more beeping noise. To change the master code, press on, then enter. Then press 1 and enter. Now enter the current access code, or master access code, I should say, and press enter. Now you're free to enter a new access code. I'll choose 654321 and enter. Then repeat that step. 654321, enter. And that's it. The new master code has been set. So I can press on, 654321, enter, and it's open. Once you've set a master code, you can set a user code for somebody to have temporary or provisional access to the safe. To set a user code, press on, then enter, then press 2 and enter. Now enter what is called a user number, a single-digit number from 1 to 9. I'll select 9 and enter. Now enter the master code, which we've set to 654321 and enter. Now I can enter a user code. For that, I'll select 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, press enter, then repeat that step and press enter. Now if I want to open this using the user code, I just press on, then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and enter. Now to change the user code, say you need to lock somebody out and give somebody else access to the safe, press on, then enter. Then press 3 and enter. Now use that user number we selected, that was 9, press that and enter. Now enter the current user code, which is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and enter. Now I can enter a new user code. For that I'll select 987654, press enter, and then repeat that, 987654 and enter. Now I've got a new user code in here, and to open this using that code, I just press on, 987654, and enter. And let's say you need to delete your user code. That person is no longer allowed to have access. They are excommunicated, or whatever. Press on, then enter, then press 0 and enter. Now enter that user number. I selected 9, that's the person I'm locking out. Press enter, and then finally enter the master code, which only you know because you are the master of your safe. Press enter, and that's it. There are no more user codes. Now to finish up, I'll show you where to change the battery. The battery is right inside of here. There's a little panel. You just need a Phillips head screwdriver to undo this. And inside of here, you'll see there's another little panel held in place with a tiny Phillips head screw, so you need a tiny Phillips head screwdriver for that. When you loosen this screw up, you want to be careful not to drop it down inside the door. And then there's a little finger catch here, a little tab you pull down, and this panel comes off, and there's the battery. Now, if the battery fails, there is still a way to power up the lock from the outside. At the top of the keypad is a plastic piece you loosen with a small screwdriver, or a table knife would work just fine. The piece remains attached, but you pull it aside to expose a couple of contact points for a 9-volt battery. You hold a 9-volt battery to those points, enter your access code, and you are in your safe. So now you know how to use your MSAFE. Remember to practice the functions I've shown you with the door open. If you lock yourself out of your safe, don't come crying to me, because I don't have any special override codes to give you, and neither does MSAFE.